allow you to be paid.
Makiaria mucemano-ini wao wa o mwaka uria urahumbitwo riri ni mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro iyo Collins Oyu. Arutani acio maugite thengia ya kaunti iyo gukorwo iri na morito na arutani guthii ng'endo ndaya magigakinya thukuru, ugwati wa gutharikirwo ni nyamu cia githaka na kwaga utungata ta urigiti na barabara ni mamwe ma morito maria makoretwo makigerera na he bata mekirwo gikiro-ini kiu.
Having been given affirmative action status, we are learning that this has been withdrawn, and in fact some sub-counties have lost the status of hard to staff and hardship area.
Commission iria yandikaga arimu TSC gathikite kaunti iyo ithabu-ini ria kuria kuritu kurutira wira makiuga mangikirwo gikiro-ini kiu ni undu guteithiriria arutani kugia na marihi ma nyongerera.
So we must appeal to Teachers Service Commission that the status of Kajiado should remain the same. The issue of understaffing here is one issue that even escalates to other branches and other regions. We still want Teachers Service Commission through the government to have more teachers to be employed in this country.
Urban schools are overstaffed, while the far-flung schools in rural areas are understaffed. We want to see an even distribution of teachers. The headquarters, there is a lot of interference from the headquarters in terms of posting of teachers. Teachers will not be posted to the urban areas that are already overstaffed. Let them be posted to schools that need teachers.
Arutani acio ni moretie TSC yongerere namba ya arutani kaunti-ini iyo hurana na unyihu wa arutani magitetia kwaga utungata wa urigiti ona mari na insurance ya urigiti iria marengagwo mbeca ni TSC. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga Wambui.